Myself Siddharth Waze.
Myself, Saqib Mullah.
Myself, Abhishek Naik.
So we are the students of final year of architecture from D.Y. Patil College. We found this competition on our Instagram handle. What ignites us was to design a facade for the 21st century, considering the climate, sun path, and today's environment. The brief was interesting because to design a facade in a city like Gurugram is challenging. Plus, working with the building form, its surrounding, and playing with the aesthetic. Also, the brief wanted to ask today's world concern by thinking about the next generation. Throughout the architecture history, we have been concerned about the facade treatment for the present virtual impact to the public. But pushing its own boundary now is how we make facade more than just a static vertical architectural element. So I considered four main questions in my mind. What if a facade functions more than just an envelope of the building or more than that? What if a facade responds to climate, technology, sunlight and even natural elements such as wind, etc.? What if a facade can constantly react to the surrounding and form a pattern of movement by itself? What if a dynamic facade proposal that could respond to environment and minimize the energy consumption? So the main consideration was the climate and context of Gurugram. Basically considering the sun path, wind direction and surrounding is must. So we thought of creating a peaceful environment for the people inside and make them feel completely comfortable from outside. We refer to many structures ranging from parametric to sustainable to modernistic to brutalist. But to keep it simple and realistic as well as dramatic, we refer to the structure of Le Corbusier's Unite the Habitation building. So on the angle wall in his skin is facing the sun path, and on north side designed a static skin which could act as a glazing device as well as a canopy for space.
For winning any competition, one must understand the brief and its requirements and the response to the context in different ideas. Passion, dedication, and research toward the brief and detailing are some of the key points to winning any competition.
It helps us to think beyond reality as well as think realistic. And by participating in a competition, we understand the thinking of every individual and the amount of competition in the field of construction and architecture.
The query response was good by Mango competition. Actually, we didn't had any query as the brief was clear and everything was given in the brief itself.
I recommend it because they placed a very good jury for the competition, and every competition is a must as we get to know different design compositions, people, and more importantly, the thoughts of renowned jury members on our design.
Thank you.
Thank you.